Happy Halloween! Today we are making cozy. Happy Halloween! And Happy Halloween! Today we are going to make some easy vegan Frankenstein Rice Krispy treats. Super easy, simple ingredients. Let's take a look. First, we're going to use some organic brown rice Krispy cereal. You are going to need some coconut oil, dairy-free chocolate chips, vegan marshmallows, wax paper, and of course some food coloring. And we'll also need vegan margarine or butter. I have Earth Balance, the soy-free brand, but you can use any brand of vegan butter that you choose. First, we're gonna melt 3 tablespoons of our coconut oil into a large saucepan. And then we're gonna take our 10-ounce bag of vegan marshmallows. We're gonna melt these down in our saucepan. Now that we've melted our marshmallows in our saucepan, we're gonna add our green food coloring into the marshmallows. Next, we're gonna use 6 cups of our Rice Krispy treat cereal and pour that into our marshmallow mix. Now we are flattening our Krispy treats into a 13 by 9 inch pan. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of our vegan soy-free butter, and we're going to use 1 cup of our mini chips, semi-sweet vegan chocolate chips. We're going to melt these in a saucepan for our Frankenstein's hair and mouth. Now my chocolate chips came out a little thick in this case, so I added a little bit of coconut milk into my mixture to make the chocolate come out a little more smooth and less thick. Now our Krispy treats have been cooling off in the fridge. We will cut these into squares and dip the tips of them into our chocolate. Now we're going to take a sheet of our wax paper and lay that out, and we're going to take each square and dip the tops into the chocolate.